This herbal tea helps in cases of multiple sclerosis, chronic fatigue, rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, lupus, and Hashimoto's, with recipe. Thyme is a herb native to the Mediterranean region and southern European, which has been traditionally used as a homemade remedy in the case of chest problems and respiratory issues, like the flu, chest congestion, common colds, cough, bronchitis, etc. This herb effectively treats respiratory ailments, strengthens the immune system, prevents chronic diseases and fungal infections, manages stress, induces blood flow, and supports heart function. It has been traditionally used in a crushed form in order to accelerate the healing of wounds and prevent infections. This beneficial herb is high in vitamin C, A, B complex and folic acid. Moreover, it abounds in calcium, iron, and potassium, so it supports the production of red blood cells, regulates blood pressure, and supports the antioxidant distribution throughout the body. It is a rich source of bioflavonoids and volatile oils, like thyme, which offer strong antioxidant effects. The terpenoids, like rosmarinic and ursolic acids, have powerful cancer-fighting properties, so studies have shown that the regular use of thyme raises dye amount in kidney, brain, and heart cell membranes, and dye is a vital omega-3 fatty acid. The essential thyme oil has strong antifungal, antiviral, antiseptic, antiparasitic and anti-rheumatic qualities, and it is extremely helpful in the cases of lupus, multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia, tinnitus, vertigo, chronic fatigue syndrome, rheumatoid arthritis, and Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Moreover, it has powerful expectorant and bronchial antispasmodic properties which are useful in the case of asthma, laryngitis, cough, acute and chronic bronchitis, mouth inflammation, gingivitis, a sore throat and throat infections. Here is how to prepare homemade thyme tea and enjoy the benefits of this herb. Ingredients: organic thyme, purified water. Directions: in a brewing container, add a teaspoon of dried thyme per cup of water. Heat until it boils, and then remove it from heat. Cover it, infuse it for 5 minutes, and strain it.